How to fix operation has been cancelled in Device Manager on Windows. 1. Set not configured to prevent access to drives from my computer policy at user configuration administrative templates Windows Components File Explorer in Group Policy Editor, medite.msc. 2. Delete no view on drive or disallow run at computer /h/key_current_user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /Explorer in registry editor. 3. Reset your PC. 4. Other tips. 4.1 Run Fix It at https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/3100409/hyperlinks-r-not-working-in-outlook. Number sign fix it for me or reset IE. 4.2 Check group policy. Settings and user configuration administrative templates in medite.msc. Control panel, desktop, network, shared folders, start menu, system, and alike. 4.3 Reset all. Policy settings. Apply not configured to items at local computer policy computer configuration administrative templates all settings in medite.msc. 4.4. Reset Windows security settings. Run cseated/configure/cfg%winder%\inf/default base.inf/db default base.sdb /verbose command as admin. 4.5 Go to your organization or network admin for more info.